Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to start your journey to make videos on YouTube and earn money. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step guide on how to start your YouTube channel and make money from it. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step to starting your journey on YouTube is to choose your niche. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about and that you can create content around. Whether it's fashion, beauty, gaming, or cooking, choose a niche that you love and that you can create content for consistently. Step 2. Create your channel. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to create your channel. To create your channel, go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you have signed in, click on the Create a Channel button on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Follow the steps to create your channel, including choosing a name and uploading a profile picture and banner. Step 3. Plan your content. Before you start creating videos, it's essential to plan your content. Planning your content will help you stay organized and ensure that you are creating videos that your audience wants to see. You can create a content calendar to help you plan your videos in advance. Step 4. Create your videos. Once you have planned your content, it's time to start creating your videos. Make sure you have good lighting and audio, and use a good camera or webcam to film your videos. When creating your videos, try to make them engaging and entertaining to keep your viewer interested. Step 5. Edit your videos. Once you have filmed your videos, it's time to edit them. There are many video editing software options available, from free to paid. Choose a software that works for you, and edit your videos to make them look professional. Step 6. Upload your videos. Once you have edited your videos, it's time to upload them to your channel. Make sure you add a catchy title, tags, and a description to each video. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results. Step 7. Promote your channel. To grow your channel, you need to promote it. Share your videos on social media platforms, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience. You can also use paid promotions to reach a wider audience. Step 8. Monetize your channel. Once you have grown your channel and have a significant number of subscribers, you can start to monetize your channel. There are several ways to earn money on YouTube, including ads, sponsorships, merchandise, and affiliate marketing. To monetize your channel, you will need to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Conclusion. And that's it. With these steps, you can start your journey on YouTube and earn money. Remember, creating great content and promoting your channel is essential for success on YouTube. So, keep creating and sharing your videos, and who knows, you could be the next big YouTuber.